Welcome to the video class of the chapter derivative. Today I am going to discuss the derivative of some particular functions which cannot be differentiated directly. In such case, we have to use logarithmic concept. Okay, then the function which are in the form of variable to the power variable, or multiplication or product of many functions, or product then division by many functions. These types of functions cannot be differentiated directly. In such case, we have to take log of both sides. Now let's start. What are the types of function? The following types of function cannot be functions. The following types of functions are differentiates by using log. Now type 1, this is type 1. Here types, here procedure, okay. So type 1, that is type 1, y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. Okay, so y equal to f of x to the power g of x. This is, that is variable type, variable to the power variable. Example, sin x to the power 10x, x to the power x square. Okay, this type of. And number 2, the product of the functions, many functions, f1x, f2x, f3x, dot. Third one is y is equal to f1x, f2x, f3x, dot divided by g1x, g2x, g3x, like this. And fourth one is mark star this is special type of y is equal to f1x to the power g1x, and this is f2x to the power g2x. This can be plus or minus. Okay, procedure for type 1, type 2 and type 3. Procedure is take both sides log. Number 2 step, then differentiate both sides. Okay, but type 3, this is special form. Type 4, this is special form. First, let u equal to f1x to the power g1x, and v is equal to f2x to the power g2x. Okay, correct. This is special type. Then y equal to what? Y equal to u plus d, and dy by dx is equal to dy du by dx plus dv by dx, and u, this can be u and v can be differentiate separately by using log. u and v differentiates, u and v differentiates using log, separately using log. Okay, this is the special type of function. We cannot take directly log this type of function. Okay, we cannot take directly log this type of function. Clear? Then we cannot take directly this type of function. So we have to take u and v, then using log find derivative of u and v, then add dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Clear? And now let's discuss one by one, type 1, type 2, type 3, then type 4. Clear? Now type 1. What is type 1? Type 1. Okay. Y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. This is variable to the power variable. This is variable to the power variable, or function to the power function. How to differentiate? This is very easy. Taking, then find dy by dx. Okay, this is the theory. Solution: y is equal to what? You are given f of x to the power g of x. Taking both sides log. So this will be what? Log y. This is equal to what? Log f of x to the power g of x. By the formula log m to the power n is equal to n into log n. So this is equal to what? This implies log y is equal to g of x into log of f of x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. That is d by dx of log y, d by dx of g of x into log f of x, and this is equal to what? This is equal to, then this is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. Apply u into v formula. This is equal to log f of x into d by ds of g of x plus g of x into d by ds of log fx. Okay, then what is this? Is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by y dy by ds is equal to log f of x into g dash x plus g of x derivative of log fx means 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x, that is f dash x. So dy by dx is equal to y into g dash f log fx, g dash log fx plus g of x into f dash x by f of x. This is the procedure to find, and finally you can put this is equal to dy by ds. Value of y you can put. Okay, value of y we can put, that is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to put y equal to f of x to the power g of x. Okay, now one example related to this concept. Let us do some questions related to this type. One question: find dy by dx if y is equal to x to the power sin x. Okay, solution: y is equal to x to the power sin x. Clear? This is function to the power function, so you have to take log both sides. Without taking log we cannot find. Okay, so taking both sides, log y is equal to log of this, means the power will be product. Log of sin x means this is log of x to the power sin x. So this can be written as log y is equal to the power comes to this side, so sin x into log x. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, then d by ds of log y, d by ds of sin x into log x. Derivative of log y, this is 1 by y into dy by ds, because dy by d log y means this is, suppose consider this is x. So derivative of x means 1 by x, so and into dy by ds. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. Clear? And this is equal to u into v, log x into d by ds of sin x plus sin x into d by ds of log x. So what is your answer? That is 1 by y into dy by dx log x. Derivative of sin x means what? This is formula by formula cos x, and this is sin x. Derivative of log x means 1 by x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y into cos x into log x plus sin x by x, or that implies dy by dx is equal to y means what? X to the power sin x, x to the power sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x by x. This is your answer. Okay. Now another question. Differentiate x to x with respect to x. This is question number 2. Okay. Solution: let y is equal to what? X to the power x. Taking both side log. Taking both sides log. This is equal to log y is equal to x to x into what? log x. Again power variable to the power over. Again taking both sides. Taking both sides log. So log of log y. Log of log y is equal to log x to x plus, this is log of, and this can be written as log of x to x into log x. Clear? This is log n formula. So this is equal to log y, log of log y, log of log y. This is suppose m, this is n, log m into formula. So log m means log x to x plus log n, log of log x. Okay, and this is equal to what? This is equal to log of log y x into log x plus log of log x. Then this is equal to, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. The question is very easy. Okay, so differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is equal to, that implies d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of, okay, d by dx of here x into log x plus d by ds of log x. Clear? Then how to differentiate this log x, log y? Consider this is x. So log, what is derivative of log x? Derivative of log x means 1 by x, na? So 1 by x means 1 by log y into derivative of y with respect to, derivative of log y with respect to x. Log y means 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay, then this is equal to u into v. I will write directly. Okay, from uv formula I will write directly. This is v du, log x into derivative of x, what? 1 plus x into derivative of log x means 1 by x. This portion over. Then what is log of derivative of log x? This consider x. So 1 by log x into derivative of log x, again 1 by x. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to y into log y bracket log x, x goes cancel, plus what? 1 log x plus 1 plus, this is 1, this is second portion, and 1 by x into log x, right? This is your answer. And if you want to put value of y here, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to what? Y means x to the power x, and log y means what? Log y means here, what? Log y. Look at this. Log y means x to the x log x. X to the x log x bracket log x plus 1 by x log x plus 1. This is your answer. Correct. Now another question. Differentiate differentiates tan x to the power log x cube. Okay, tan x to the power log x cube. This is solution. Y is equal to what? Tan x to the power log x cube. It is also variable to the power variable, so take both sides log. Taking both sides log, that is log of y is equal to log of tan x whole to the power log x cube. That implies log of y is equal to the power log x cube. Power, this is power, so and this is equal to log of tan x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is your answer? Your answer is differentiate means what? dy by dx. This is equal to d by dx of log y, and this is what? This will be d by ds of log x cube means 3 log x. So 3 take out, log x into log of tan x. Apply u into v formula, and this is equal to what? 1 by y into dy by dx, 3 into, apply u into v formula, v du log of tan x into derivative of log x means 1 by x plus log x into d by ds of log tan x, suppose log tan x. Okay, so this is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to 3y. This is log of tan x by x plus log x into derivative of log tan x means 1 by tan x into derivative of tan x means sec square x. So this is equal to 3 into y. dy by dx is equal to 3 into y means what? y means tan x to the power log x cube, and this is log of tan x. Okay, log of tan x by x cube, sorry x, and this is sec square into log x by tan x. This is your answer. Okay, now another question based on type 2. Type 2 means product of the many functions. Okay, suppose find dy by dx if y is equal to x square plus 1 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 root over x minus 1. Suppose this type of problem. So solution is y is equal to here, y is equal to x square plus 1 into 3s plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 root over x minus 1. It is product of three functions. It will be differentiate directly, but it is lengthy one, so by taking log it will be easy. Okay, so taking both side log, taking both sides log this is equal to log y is equal to, that implies log y is equal to log of this x square plus 1 into 3x plus 5 3 by 2 into root over x minus 1. Clear? Log m into n into p. So if there is product, then it will be plus. So log y is equal to what? Log y is equal to log of x square plus 1 plus the power ta kon agu asibo plus 3 by 2 into log of 3x plus 5, this power half ଅଛି ତ half ଟା କୁ ଆସିବ plus 1 by 2 into log x minus 1. এটা କୋ ଫର୍ମୁଲା ହେଲା ନା ଫର୍ମୁଲା ଅଛି log m into n into p, log m plus log n plus log p. This is then differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this will be d by ds of log y, d by ds of this log x square plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into log 3x plus 5 plus 1 d by ds. Okay, here write d by ds of log 3s plus 5 plus 1 by 2 into d by ds of log x minus 1. Very easy. So this is equal to what? 1 by y. This is equal to what? 1 by y into dy by dx. Derivative of log y is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. So derivative of log x means 1 by x. Here 1 by x को कते केते x square plus 1. So कता हो 1 by x square plus 1 हबो. जोटा को तुम x भाबिछो into ता डेरिवेटिव. एटा कोन x square plus 1 को x भाबिछो. So r derivative x square plus 1 रो derivative 2x. Clear? Then 3 by 2 8 of them x log x means 1 by x, so 1 by 3s plus 5 into derivative of 3s plus 5 जोटा को तुम x consider करछो into ता derivative. So this is 3 and plus 1 by 2 8 of them x consider कर दियो तो कौन हो 1 by x minus 1 into derivative of x means 1. Now 1 by y, that is dy by ds is equal to y into 2x by x square plus 1 plus 9 by 2 into 3x plus 5 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1, and write the value of y if you are interested. Where y you can write or write where y is equal to what? X square plus 1 3x plus 5 to the power 3 by 2 into root over x minus 1. Okay, this is your answer. Now one question of type 3. One question of type 3, let's discuss. One question of type from type 3. Type 3, this is product and division form. Find dy by dx if y is equal to x cube plus 1 3x minus 1 and this is 2x plus 5 to the power 6 divided by 7x minus 1 to the power 2 4x minus 1 and this is equal to x to the power 9. This is product and then division. So solution y is equal to x cube plus 1 3x minus 1 2x plus 5 whole to the power 6 divided by log of 7x minus 1 whole square 4x minus 1 x to the 9 एटा कौन करियो ब्रो both side log ना पड़ियो तो taking both side log taking both sides log so it will be what log y is equal to log of this by this means x cube plus 1 3x minus 1 2x plus 5 whole to 6 divided by 7x minus 1 whole square 4x minus 1 x to the 9 very interesting question जे ऊपर प्रोडक्ट अछि सेजा सब प्लस हो जिवो तळे जे प्रोडक्ट अछि सबजा माइनस हो जिवो एटा होछि रूलटा तो log y is equal to what log y equal to log of what x cube plus 1 so plus हो जिवो plus 3 log of what log of 3x minus 1 पावर टाकू जाउथु सब है ना तो 6 into log of 2x plus 5 तो तळे डिवाइड अछि माइनस होथु आ पावर सब आगु होथु so minus 2 into log of केते 7x minus 1 minus log of 4x minus 1 and this is equal to what minus log पावर टाको जीवो 9 log x एटा कोन पेन देउछ फॉर्मूला देखो म कहि दउछि सपोज थिबो एमदी log mn by pq सपोज अछि तो म लिखि परिबो कोन log mn minus log pq माने into अछि केता बडे log m plus log n हे जीवो माइनस एटा मध्ये कोन हो ब्रैकेट भितरे log p plus log q हे जो ने तो ब्रैकेट ओपन करे केता आसी जदि ब्रैकेट ओपन कर देबी केता आसी log m plus log n minus log p minus log q here log q तो कोन देखिलो ए देखिलो ना जदि डिवाइड अछि डिवाइड ऊपर का प्लस हे जाउछ ने log m plus log n ये माइनस log p log q एटा ए फॉर्मूला होछ बुझियो तो ए देखिबा ये देखा वाला ठीक ठाक log m plus log n minus log p minus log q ऊपर सब प्लस हो जाउछ तले सब माइनस हो जाउछ ओके सो according to this it how the process sta so according to this differentiate both side with respect to x differentiate both sides with respect to x so eta d by ds of log y d by ds of this what log of s cube plus 1 plus log of what 3s minus 1 plus 6 into log of 2x plus 5 minus 2 log 7x minus 1 log of 4x minus 1 minus 9 log x so differentiate with respect to x okay this is 1 by y into dy by dx 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to what consider this is x log x it x भाग दियो log x डेरिवेटिव केते 1 by x ना तो 1 by x गोटर x cube plus 1 अछि into तमे जोटा को x भाबी छ माने तो एटा x भाग दियो तार डेरिवेटिव into 3x square x cube डेरिवेटिव plus एटा log x अछि एटा x भाग दियो 1 by केता हो 3x minus 1 जोटा को तुम x भाबिचो into 3x रो डेरिवेटिव 3 into 3 plus 6 into x भाबियो 1 by 2x plus 5 into what 2x रो डेरिवेटिव minus 2 into 1 by this एटा x भाबियो log x डेरिवेटिव 1 by x ना so x बदले 7x minus 1 into what 7x रो डेरिवेटिव 7 1 रो 0 minus this is equal to what 1 by 4x minus 1 into 4 and this is 9 by x. So finally dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y into eta likhi pariba 3x square by what s cube plus 1 and this is equal to what this is equal to 3 by 3x minus 1 and this is equal to this is 12 by 2x plus 5 and this is minus 14 by 7x minus 1 and minus 14 by and this is minus 4 by 4x minus 1 and this is minus 9 by x where y is equal to what auto check कर दियो 3x square by हला 3 by हला 12 by हला then 14 by 7x minus 1 then 4 by 4x minus 1 where y is equal to what where y is equal to this where y is equal to a question write the question hala now another question homework for you this is homework of type 3 differentiates with respect to x y is equal to square root of x plus 1 3s minus 1 to the power 2 1 minus 4x by s cube plus 2 2x minus 1 power 3 x plus 1 to the power 5 hence taking both side log y is equal to what half log of this means log of this is x plus 1 3s square 3s minus 1 whole square 1 minus 4x by x cube plus 2 2x minus 1 whole cube x plus 5 power 3. So what is this power half? So log y, this is hint for you. Log y equal to 1 by 2. Log of what? Log of x plus 1 3s minus 1 whole square 1 minus 4x divided by what? Divided by x cube plus 2 2x minus 1 whole cube x plus 5 to the x plus 1 here x plus 1 and this is x plus 1 to the power 5 okay and proceeds then differentiate with respect to x do yourself this is hint for you and do and proceed like this then another question of type 4 okay another question of type 4 this is type 4 एठी आमे डायरेक्ट लॉग नहीं परिबानी पहला कोन करन दे सपोज दिस इज सपोज y इक्वल टू सपोज a plus b जदि मो लॉग ना भी log y is equal to log of a plus b ना नहीं एटा का हम लिखि परिबनी log a plus log b हबनी तेणु आम ए केस रे डायरेक्ट log नहीं परिबानी एडी इंडिविजुअल को u गोटे को u नबा गोटे को v नहीं करी इंडिविजुअल डेरिवेटिव करबा तापर ऐड करदा तो क्वेश्चन differentiate with respect to x y is equal to x to the power sin x plus cos x to the power suppose sin x like this. Okay, so how to differentiate? Let mind it, dear students. जदि इमली वेरिएबल टू द वेरिएबल प्लस और माइनस वेरिएबल टू द वेरिएबल दीटा फंक्शन इमली अच्छी डायरेक्ट लॉग नहीं देले बोल है जो माने रूल नहीं मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट कोन करथले डायरेक्ट लॉग रे ए टाइप करथले लॉग ऑफ a प्लस b फॉर्मूला कोन लॉग a प्लस लॉग b अच्छी की नहीं तो हमें डायरेक्ट लॉग नहीं करबे से केस रे हमें गोटे की u नेबा आ गोटे को v नेबा तो लेट u इक्वल टू x टू द पावर sin x b is equal to cos x to the power sin x. So now y is equal to what? Now y equal to u plus b. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. In the process लिखियो पड़ो वर्तमान du by dx फाइंड करिया dv by dx फाइंड करिया separately taking log. Okay. Now u equal to what? U is equal to x to the power sin x. So taking both side log y is equal to x to the power sin x means log में कौन हो sin x into log x. तो differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it कौन आसो d by ds of log y d by ds of sin x into log x. So this is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx. U into v log x into derivative of sin x means cos x plus sin x into derivative of log x means 1 by x. So sin x into 1 by x. So this is u. Sorry, this is u and this is u and this is u, correct, and this is u. So du by dx is equal to u into what? Log x into cos x plus sin x by x. Now du by dx is equal to u means what? X to the power sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x by x. Clear? Then second part, v is equal to what? Cos x to the power sin x. So that implies log v equal to what? Log v is equal to sin x log of cos x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this will be 1 by v into dv by dx. This is, or you can write here d by dx of log v. This is equal to d by dx of sin x into log cos x. Okay, and this is equal to what? 1 by v dv by dx u into v पकड़ दिए कौन आसो v माने log cos x into derivative of sin x means cos x into cos x plus sin x plus sin x into derivative of log cos x. This is log of cos x now. So what is this? 1 by cos x into derivative of cos x minus sin x. So now dv by dx is equal to what? Dv by dx is equal to v into cos x into log of cos x minus sin x into tan x. So now dv by dx is equal to what? V means cos x to the power sin x into cos x log of cos x minus sin x into tan x. Okay, now sin x into x. Then now dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by ds. We have dy by ds is equal to du by dx plus dv by ds. So put the values of du by ds means x to the power, that is dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to dy by ds, not visible here. So dy by dx is equal to du by ds value. This is du by ds, x to the power sin x into cos x log x plus sin x by x. This is value of du by ds, and dv by ds plus dv by ds cos x to the power, what is cos x to the v cos x plus sin x into cos of log cos x minus sin x into tan x, sin x into tan x. This is answer. Okay, this is final answer of type 4. These are all about the derivative of the function using logarithm. Type 1, type 3, type 2, type 3, type 4, all are discussed here. In coming class, I will discuss some shortcut formula and alternative method and more questions from NCERT book, NCERT books, CBSE, NCERT CBSE book, and CHSE Odisha Council book, Elements book. Okay. For more practice, we have to do some problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.